Space is full of wonders that continue to amaze scientists and space enthusiasts alike. From the mind-boggling number of stars in the universe to the terrifying depths of black holes, there is so much to marvel at when we look up at the night sky. Here are 15 amazing facts about space that will blow your mind. Number 15. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second. It takes 8 minutes for light to reach us from the sun. Space is so big that distances are measured in light years, with 1 light year being 9.5 trillion kilometers. Number 14. Since the Big Bang 14 billion years ago, most galaxies have been moving outwards, with some traveling at 90% the speed of light. When your TV goes fuzzy, you are in fact watching cosmic radiation from the start of the universe itself. Number 13. When you are looking at the stars and galaxies, you are effectively looking back in time. For instance, the star Deneb is 1,800 light-years away. So you are seeing it as it was in the time of Roman Emperor Septimus Severus in 200 AD. Number 12. An exploding star, or supernova, shines brighter than 100 billion stars combined. Many of the elements that make up our bodies, such as carbon and iron, actually come from them. Number 11. Collapsed neutron stars are so dense that just a tablespoon of one weighs about 1,000,000 tons. Number 10. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. NASA's latest count puts the number of stars in the observable universe at 100 billion trillion. That's a 1 followed by 22 zeros. And the number of grains of sand on all Earth's beaches, a mere 7.5 followed by 18 zeros. Number 9. In space, no one can hear you scream. This is because sound waves need a medium such as air or water to travel. And since there is no air in space, sound cannot travel. So even if you were to scream at the top of your lungs in space, no one would be able to hear you. Number 8. The International Space Station gets struck by space debris about once a year. This includes dead satellites, pieces of equipment that have fallen off the station, and tools that have been lost by astronauts. Number 7. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus rotates on its axis so slowly that a day lasts for 243 Earth days. However, a year on Venus lasts for only 225 Earth days. Number 6. On Earth, we are spinning around at 1,700 kilometers per hour. While the Earth is orbiting the Sun at 108,000 kilometers per hour, the Sun in turn is orbiting around the Milky Way at 790,000 kilometers per hour, which takes 200 million years to complete just one orbit, while the Milky Way is rushing through space at 3,600,000 kilometers per hour. Number 5. In space, your blood would boil at 21 degrees Celsius. On Earth, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. But in space, the lack of atmospheric pressure means that water boils at a much lower temperature. Number 4. Stars come in different colors, which means they have different temperatures. The color of a star depends on its surface temperature. The hottest stars are blue, followed by white, yellow, orange, and red. The heart of a star can reach 16 million degrees Celsius. A grain of sand at this temperature would burn you from 150 kilometers away. The coolest stars are red dwarfs, which have a surface temperature of about 2,500 degrees Celsius. Number 3. If you want to know what it feels like to be 100 years old, spend a few hours in space without protection. That's because space is filled with cosmic rays and other forms of radiation that can damage human cells. Number 2. A black hole the size of Mount Everest would be 23 trillion miles wide. Black holes are regions in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. The size of a black hole is measured by its mass, and the more massive a black hole is, the larger its event horizon. The event horizon is the boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing can return. For a black hole the size of Mount Everest, the event horizon would extend 23 trillion miles out into space. Black holes are not actually black. Black holes are regions in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. So the light can get stuck there and appear intensely bright. Number 1. If the universe had a beginning, then what came before it? This is one of the most fundamental questions in cosmology, and it's a question that has stumped scientists for centuries. Some believe the universe has always existed, while others think it was created by a divine being. Currently, there is limited scientific evidence to support either claim. Ultimately, the question of what came before the universe and what, if anything, lies beyond it might be a question of faith. For more weird and wonderful facts, please visit the link in the description. Thank you for watching.